Welcome to Evyrgreen AI, the premier course on how to use AI for business development. Today we're going to teach you how to create copywriting with AI using a tool called Copy.ai. Well, Copy.ai is different than ChatGPT because it gives you really great templates to create blogs 10 times faster than you normally would. It helps you create really converting posts and content and lots of engaging emails. And I'm going to show you exactly how this tool works over here. They have a free version that you can log in and you have a certain amount of copy that you get for free. I have a paid version here and I basically have unlimited copy for me and 5 of my team members. When you log in, you can create a new project. Call the project whatever you want. On the top left over here, I'm going to call this Sales Copy for Ajax Union. All right, I called it Sales Copy for Ajax Union. On the left over here, I'm going to go down to the sales tools that they have. I'm going to call it Workflow Tools. I'm going to click on Sales Cold Email. You see that? And I'm actually going to star this, so it goes into my favorites. I don't know why it's not allowing me to star it. But let's say I want to put in the prospect's public LinkedIn URL. In my case, I'll just put in my own, like as if I'm trying to sell myself something, http://www.linkedin.com/in/Joe Apfelbaum. And then I put in company, Ajax Union, product, Lincoln Blueprint. You need a better content calendar, a connections dashboard, a networking one sheet. We can do that for you if you're looking for a company that can help you. We're the ones that can help you the most. I press create content. It's going to go look up this LinkedIn profile, and then it's going to magically create content that is based off the LinkedIn profile. Now, they say they don't just take in your first and last name into consideration. They also take into consideration your about section, your work history, your education, and other factors. And they create a really nice email. So let's see what this email looks like. Help you achieve your goals. Hi, Joe. You're looking for a positive impact through the world of business. Struggling to find the right strategy to do so. I know you've been working hard for your name at Ajax Union. See, it knows that I'm working at Ajax Union. We understand challenges ahead. Now, the more detail you put into here, the better the sales copy is going to be. But it actually put in my name and my title and other information. So that's really cool. Another thing that you can do is you can actually create website copy, SEO website copy. So you put in a keyword over here, and then you put in a description of your company, and you press create content, and it'll create a website structure like H3, short call to actions, all that type of stuff. Another thing that you can do here is if you take a look through, let's say, digital ad copy, or you take a look at, for example, sales copy. You see where it says ADA, attention, interest, desire, and action? You put on the supercharge mode, the beta mode over here, and you put in http://www.evergreen.com/AI. You do use this website, and it's actually going to pull information from the website, and it'll create this type of copywriting. Attention, interest, desire, action, basically creating all this copy for my business based on my website. So I didn't even have to copy and paste information from my website. It pulled all this information directly from my website, and let's see what it does. Attention. Evyrgreen AI is a comprehensive course on artificial intelligence for business development. Interest. It teaches you the basics of AI and how you can apply it to a role. Desire. It helps you learn how you can have take your skills to the next level. Click here to learn more. So you basically created all that stuff. Same thing with bridge after bridge. And these are all copywriting tools that you can use. Quest copywriting. See, it pulls all the information in here. Create content. And you just have to put in any website you want. So if you're doing this for yourself, maybe you have multiple landing pages. You can do this for your blog posts. You can do this literally for any website you want. You don't even have to copy and paste the content into here. It basically just reads your website. It reads your LinkedIn page, and it kind of does all this for you. So definitely go ahead and check out this tool, Copy.ai. It's really, really powerful. There's many more features that you can use inside this tool. But I highly recommend you test it out, create a new project, name your project. I call this one Sales Copy for Ajax Union. I can then take this information, copy and paste it in here. And as you can see, I could really mess with this information. This also will kind of teach you some copywriting skills. You can write Facebook ads, blog posts, email newsletters, sales copy, and you could also do some personal things like write birthday cards, cover letters, love letters, resume bullets, shower thoughts. There's lots that you can do here using this tool. I highly recommend you mess around with it and you see how it suits you. If you like something that it wrote and you want to see more like it, you just click on the more like this button. If you want to save some of the information that it wrote for you, you just press the save button. If you want to remove it, you just press the remove button and so on. If you want to see all your history, all you got to do is click on your own little name over here. Let's see, scroll down. Should be able to see your history. You click on the left side over here. Click on subscription. View generation history. See that? View generation history, and you can see everything that you generated for yourself, which is another really great benefit that you don't get with a lot of other tools. They don't kind of show you all the different things that you created. So they're actually storing all this for you, which is really, really useful. Well, hopefully you found this useful. Thank you very much for coming to check this out. If you click on the templates feature, you'll be able to see all the different templates that they have here. Go through it, have fun with it. Whether you need a dating profile, shower vows, wedding vows, short stories, motivational quotes, emails, social media content, blogs, you can have a lot of fun with this. Let's see what you can create with this. Talk to you soon. Boom.